Alright everybody, thanks for the prompt payments. We're still waiting on one person, but he's got excellent feedback, so I'm not too worried about it. We're going to do the box break now. It's my first box break, or first box break that I'm doing. I participated in some myself, but I'll explain a few things. I will be pausing the video every 10 minutes-ish, somewhere around there, to allow for easier uploading to YouTube. Random.org will determine tiebreakers and determine who wins the free box here. I'm also doing it in the background. You can see over here the mega break, which will be July 2nd. I'll be opening all 4 of those and also giving away a free box of artifacts from 2010-2011. You don't want to miss that. It's already up on eBay. We already got some bids for it. Pretty excited about that. But there will also be another auction exactly like this one posting tonight, which will end on Wednesday, giving away another free box of SP Authentic. Trying to make this a little bit more fun. Like I said, I participate in the auctions as well, box breaks as well, and I like them, and I wanted to make them a little bit more fun. Again, thanks, and so let's go ahead and get started. This will be the free box. These are both of the ones that were pictured on the website here. You can see the serial numbers will match up to the ones that you see on the picture. They're all sealed. Everything's good to go. So I'm putting this back here. That's the free box we'll do after the box break. We'll determine via random.org. Alright. Let's get started. Oh, before we do start, let me just run through the list real quick of what we got here. Here's all the people that bid and won, just so you know it's current. Alright. Here's all our packs of cards. And let's start first pack here. I'm just going to call it the team names. Sharks, Canadians, first insert here, Brandon Dubinsky of the New York Rangers, number 1276 out of 1999. Philadelphia, Minnesota. By the way, if anybody's wondering, the 66 and Dally 66 is for the greatest player to play the game, Mario Lemieux. Chicago, Toronto, Detroit, Boston, Philly, who finally got their goaltender situation settled after many decades since Ron Hextall. Alright, Colorado, New York Rangers, Calgary Flames. Our next hit, Mr. Mike Modano, who it is for the Red Wings. Long-time Dallas Star there, but again, for the Red Wings. 1883 out of 1999. Great player. Quebec Nordiques, Mr. Guy Lafleur. Okay, Atlanta Flashers, soon to be the Winnipeg Jets. Mr. Vinny Lecavalier, most overplayed player in hockey. Let's see, Phoenix Coyotes, Buffalo, Ottawa. I'm waiting for a good hit here. This is, like I said, my first break, so I'm pretty excited to see what kind of inserts we pull. Colorado, Boston, Mr. Patrice Bergeron. Marty Turco for Chicago. Oh, and speaking of the greatest player to play the game, Mario Lemieux, Holo FX. Very nice card. I like that one. And Florida. Oh, this one feels a little bit thicker, but I'm sure it's just a spacer. Let's see what we got here. Detroit, Mr. Franzen. Ah, look at that. Sidney Crosby. And Columbus. That is a spacer. Carolina. San Jose. The New Jersey Devils. New York Rangers. Washington Capitals. Varlamov there. Setaguchi. San Jose guy, but I believe he just got traded yesterday. Anyways, San Jose. Mark Savard. Waiting for an auto here. Let's see which ones we get. We got some kind of insert. Let's see. Mr. Ryan Miller of the Buffalo. Edmonton. Who's that? New Jersey. And in front of Minnesota Wild, we have Mr. James Shepard. Decent auto. I don't know about the guy, though. I don't know much about him. Eric Stahl, Carolina. Alright, what else we got here? Minnesota, Toronto, Montreal, Islanders, Vancouver. It kind of looks like the Harper Whalers a little bit from that angle, but anyways, Vancouver. One of Sedin twins. What else we got in there? Let's see. Phoenix Coyotes. Well, actually, he's now. Well, I mean, you're gonna obviously the Coyotes get this one, but he's just signed for Philly. Ducks. Avalanche. Columbus. New Jersey. This is a thick one. Hopefully, this is something nice. Let's see. It looks like something nice. So let's see here. Ducks. Teemu Selanne. This guy is fantastic. St. Louis. Carolina. Future Watch. Eric's Wildwood. 59. Oops, there we go. 59 out of 100. Not a bad card. Let's see. James, it's two colors, by the way. Oops. Black and white from the Philadelphia Flyers, by the way. I forgot to mention that. Dallas, Mr. James Neal, who is now a Pittsburgh Penguin, but it says on here Dallas, so Dallas will be getting it. Tampa. Montreal. Ottawa. Mr. Zdeno Chara from Boston. Essentials. Brizala, I can't say his name. Anyway, 1785 out of 1999. Essentials again. That goes to Phoenix, obviously. Phoenix on the card. We just got signed the other day, but New Jersey. Colorado. Detroit. Mr. Ovechkin. That would be Capitals. Future Watch here. Calgary Flames. Henrik Karlsson, the goalie. which yeah, I wouldn't want to be behind Kiprusoff there. But maybe he'll get some play this year. We'll see. Edmonton, Hemsky. Columbus, New York Islanders, Detroit, the Flower, which is a awesome nickname for a hockey player. Anyways, that's Pittsburgh, Dallas, Mr. Brad Richards, soon to be a Ranger. That's my guess, at least. Okay, Detroit, Zetterberg, Chicago, Nashville, LA, Stars, Louis Erickson, good player. Ryan Smith, LA, maybe be Edmonton soon, but LA for this card. Nashville, Washington, Anaheim, and Florida. Last pack before I pause it here. We're at 11 minutes right now. Tampa Bay, Mr. Steve Stamkos, Boston, Edmonton, St. Louis, and Detroit, Mr. Jimmy Howard. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to pause that. Here, maybe we'll do the time so you guys can see. And here's the time. I'm going to go ahead and pause it. Give me just a second.